This Iowa Minute is brought to you by the Iowa Farm Bureau.
Did you know that a south of the border food favorite gets its start right here in Iowa?
From a distance, this looks like any other cornfield, but it's not. It's white corn used to make tortillas. Page County farmer Justin Dahman says his white corn is looking even better than regular corn this year.
What we like about the white corn in southern Iowa is it's bred in the south, so it's kind of a subtropic plant. When we get a hot year like this year, you know, they seem to respond fairly well to the heat.
Sustainable Iowa farmers are always listening to consumers because it's all about being flexible to make changes.
Anymore with the livestock and the grain and the specialty grains, there's times you might have to change your game plan twice in a week.
The choices are yours at the grocery store. No matter what you decide, Iowa farmers will continue to work hard to grow it. With your Iowa Minute, I'm Lori Johns.